So, I'm gonna teach you how to pop a lock on a door. A specific type of door lock. Okay? This is a standard doorknob. Front and back. Now I'm going to lock the door. Here we go. Take the screwdriver, put it in the door hole, bend it backwards about as much as you can, and then take it that way to ensure proper openage of the door. Pull it out, open the door, and you're in. You see what I mean? Oh yeah. While also keeping in mind the fact that the screwdriver has to be either a flathead or a Phillips head screwdriver, or it will not work. And also it has to be a small screwdriver, so make sure it's small and compatible with the size of the door hole. Very important. Very, very important. This video is the linkage of what you are to do in a bad scenario, a bad situation. Or you just lost your key and you can't get in your bathroom because you don't have the key. You don't know where the key's at. You're wondering where the key is. Well, take that little bitty screwdriver and prop it open. And you don't need a key.